Hey there! Welcome back to my channel, where we review the latest and most exciting technology on the market. And today, I've got something truly special for you, the G127 Smartwatch 2.01-inch square glass screen smartwatch. Now, I know what you're thinking, another smartwatch? But let me tell you, this is not just any smartwatch. The G127 is a game changer in the world of wearable technology. With its sleek and modern design, 2.01-inch square glass screen, and affordable price, this smartwatch is a must-have for anyone who wants to take their fitness and daily routine to the next level. What sets the G127 apart from other smartwatches is its Dafit app compatibility, allowing you to fully customize the UI style to match your unique personality and preferences. And with BT call functionality, you can easily make and receive calls right from your wrist, making it the perfect companion for anyone with an on-the-go lifestyle. But the features don't stop there. The G127 also includes a built-in heart rate monitor, fitness tracker, and a variety of other health monitoring tools to keep you in top shape. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a busy professional, or someone who simply wants to stay connected and organized, the G127 has something to offer for everyone. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description and get your hands on the G127 Smartwatch 2.01-inch square glass screen smartwatch today. Trust me, you won't regret it. Subscribe to my channel for more exciting reviews and tech updates, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay connected and stay stylish with the G127 Smartwatch.